I show you our little farm, what we have here. We're living on Finland, actually in Lapland, and the city where we're living is Rovaniemi, but where we are 50 kilometers north on Rovaniemi city center. This is a very small village where we live. And today I show you our little farm, little bit what we have here. We have a 12 horse and 7 sheep and 5 dogs. All right, now you can see our home there, yeah, and our stable. This is the car stable and the saddle room, and the stable is the other side. This house, yeah. Okay. So now in the left side we have our sheeps. And a little bit more left. We have there is some horse poop place, and the carriages is there, the horse carriages. This is our 1 horse yard. There is now 2 horses. This black one, he is the Poika. Poika is ex-trotter. And this brown one, he is Eino. Eino is Finn horse. Finn horse is national breed of Finland. And this is their little stable. Yeah. And the yard, it's going to up this hill, so it's a little bit bigger than looks like now. And the hay ball is there, and Poika wants to hugging, petting, yeah. And Eino going to look the sheeps. Okay, this is our house where we're living, and this place is our garden, but now there is a lot of snow because now it's March, so we don't see the garden now. There is our dogsies, so I can show the dogs next. Okay, and now we're going to look the dogs. We have 5 Siberian Huskies, and on this place there is 3 1, so we have 5 Siberian Husky, mother, father and 3 kids, and they have like running fence, so if some dogs escaping, they don't going to same place where is the sheeps, so it's more safety. But now this is the father, yeah, and this is the one of the puppies, Nunas, yeah. No. And this is Nesu. Nesu is the father. Okay, and now I'm close this dog fence, and then we can go on the next, see the next dogs. Okay, so this is our house. Maybe if you want to see our house inside, put the comment, and maybe some video I can